Friend of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Now just install this app from this developer and tap on Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and tap on Allow. Now you need to click Home button, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Now click on Choose Default Apps, tap on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher. Then click Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always go back into the same settings and simply switch between them by tapping on the default one or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!